Alerts is an automated notification system that allows you to inform an involved party when traffic is exceeding or falling short of the defined KPI threshold. In this video, we will review how to create and manage an alert. To start, we will navigate to the left-hand menu and find Automation under More, and select Alerts. If you do not see this menu, please contact your admin to allow you access first. You will notice a button in the top left corner to add an alert. Let's click this button and create one. In the General tab, you will be asked to fill in the name and status first. You will also be given the option to allow in-app notifications, add any additional recipients via email, and select which network employees to notify. You can define the KPI threshold under Target and Conditions. You can select primary and secondary targets, which is what the system will look at to consider the KPI you are defining. If a secondary target is added, then both the primary target and the secondary target requirements must be met in order for the alert to be sent. For example, if you select a primary target of offer specific, and the secondary target of partner specific, the alert will be sent only for the specified offer and partner condition. Lifespan is the time frame and frequency of the alert. The look-back window is the period of time used to determine if the alert's conditions were met. Notification frequency refers to how often selected employees or recipients will get an alert notification. For instance, if the look-back window is set to 24 hours, with a notification frequency of 6 hours, an alert will be sent out for any target meeting the threshold over the last 24-hour period of reporting data every 6 hours. Conditions are the rules that trigger an alert. Condition evaluation type is used when you add multiple conditions to determine if the alert will trigger only when all conditions are met or whenever any individual condition is met. Condition type is the metric or value the alert will be triggered on. Clicking the drop-down menu will present multiple options such as conversion rate, click-to-conversion time, gross clicks, revenue, and many more. Let's suppose that you wish to be informed when gross clicks are over 1,000, but the conversion rate is less than 0.5%. You will select All as the condition evaluation type and add two condition types. One for gross clicks greater than 1,000, and one for the conversion rate lower than 0.5%. The alert will be triggered when both of these conditions are met in this instance. The alert preview is also available on the right side of the configuration to give you a better picture of the alert you are creating. When all configuration is done, click Save. Managing alerts is intuitive and easy. On the right side of each alert, there is a button with 3 vertical dots. Clicking this button reveals 4 menus. Edit will take you back to the page to configure your alert. Here you can also subscribe or unsubscribe to in-app and email notifications without having to edit the alert. Lastly, you can delete the alert if no longer needed. That concludes this video on how to create and manage an alert. Please feel free to reach out to Everflow support if you have any unanswered questions.